Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to yoga session. Let us see some breathing exercises to capacitate our lungs. If you are having some respiratory disorders, please go for this breathing and that will give you best results in your breathing way. And how to do is that just sit simply and on a chair or a divan, or if you can sit on easy pose on the floor, it is well and good. Sit simply and take 3 breathe in, breathe outs. Like that. Then go, this special breathing is giving the vein and the muscles the stretches, and it will fill our lungs. First you place your right palm on your belly button and take your left hand, close your right ear, and with the elbow press your chest left side. Look straight, just a little bit pressure, don't press too much, and go for a breathe in, breathe out for 3 or 5. Like this. When you are doing this, your right lungs are getting full of air inside. Then go for the other side. Face straight. A little bit pressure on your right chest, on your left ear and your belly button. Press. Go for 3 or 5 breathe in, breathe out slowly. And this time your left lungs area is getting the full air. Then let's go for like this. Press both the ear, sit tall and go for 3 or 5 breathing. Stretch. And this time you are filling the air in your lungs and the lower portion of the lungs and even the back portion, the whole portion like that. Then you can cup your eyes like this and go for a breathing 3 or 5 times. Okay. And this time also you are filling your back area also with pure air. And again another one like this. Both the ears and both the chest. You are pressing down the ear and go for the breathing 3 or 5 times. Slowly and lengthy, and this time you are filling your back area with the pure air. Like this you can do it. And why I say 3 or 5, if you are doing the 3 times, you have to do 3 times in all the 5 postures, and if 5 you have to go like that. Go for this breathing and you will get strengthening your hands also, and you can feel the difference of the breathing ability and the capacitation of your lungs you can feel. If you are having any respiratory problems, please go for this, that will do good. Bye bye my dear friends, thank you.